Physicists have officially investigated whether cats are a solid or a liquid. By definition, a liquid takes the shape of its container, and a cat does exactly that. The secret lies in their floating skeleton. Unlike humans, a cat's collarbones are not attached to their spine. They are tiny slivers of bone floating in muscle. This allows them to collapse their shoulders inward. If their head fits through a hole, the rest of the body can flow through like water. They are biological fluids that just happen to have fur. The ultimate master of soft matter physics,